Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to create invoice using Invoice Generator platform. Within a second, you can create any kind of invoice and send someone. Let's start as a detailed demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply, first of all, I will show you one of the demo. Just yesterday, I make this invoice and send someone because of this is a YouTube sponsorship video and the company are providing me the video related information and they ask me to create invoice. So I have no idea how to create invoice. So that point of view, I'm searching as a Google, and Google provide me one of the best platform, and I make the such kind of invoice like here the company name, and here bill to my Research Rocks, and here Binance wallet. I'm receiving this currency as a cryptocurrency. The item name I'm provided here, item name, rate, and the total informations are come here, payment detail like I am mentioning here, and they are accepting this invoice. So how to create this invoice? So look at this. This is a link of Invoice Generator. I already put this link in same video description. So look at this here. I am provided here the company name. So you can put it here any kind of name like Amazon and bill to research slip. If you have any logo, so you can put it here logo. Just for example, I uploaded here one of the logo. So here you consider as a logo. Invoice, which number of invoice you are generating, 101, your date. So just I select today's date. Here your payment type or payment terms, you can put it here PayPal, Skype, or any third party application. So due to, like you can consider like a 31st of March, you can pay me this one. PO number, if you have PO number, you can put it here. Here item advertisement, so I just put it here item related information, just like here YouTube video advertisement. Cut here YouTube video advertisement, quantity 1, and rate you can decide here like $100. So like here entire changes also automatically come here. Payment type, you can put it here payment type and all descriptions, so they can understand very easily. Terms and condition, if you have any terms and condition. So my invoice are generated here. It's very simple. And now I want download this invoice, so I download. So look at this. This is my invoice. I just within a second I make this invoice and send wherever I want, send exactly, and that's it. It's very simple to create invoice. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.